So this is the air freshener I'm talking about right here. Beautiful little thing. Like I said, cheap. And she works just fine. Smells pretty in the car now. Anyways, okay, let's get to the trunk. Let's try cleaning this, reorganizing this trunk a little bit. Let's see what I can do. Let's see what I can do. All right. Get coffee pot. Some yogurt. Got my salad. My cup. Okay, let's do this here. Got some pineapple. My instant soup. More instant soup. Instant soup. Instant soup. You know what? This one's almost empty. That's garbage. Let's do this here. Help it. That's garbage. Okay, there we go. Mayo. More pineapple. Salad dressing. That's not it. Let's put this down here for a second. Nice pepper shakers. Alright, whatever. Oh shit. Okay. Up there. There. A little frying pan. Which I don't think I'm going to use. I might throw out. Okay. Laundry stuff. Another rag. Okay. This way I know what I have. This way I know what I have. Okay. Pineapple. My spices. Ooh. Hot chili, some beans. More beans. Ooh, I didn't even know I had that. Beans. Look at that. Okay. Salt and pepper. More. Oh, I didn't know I had that in here. Okay. Okay, this is garbage. I'm not going to use this. So this is garbage. That's garbage. I'm not going to use that. Green white. Keep it. Same thing with that. It's garbage. Garlic salt. Parsley flakes. Italiano, it's a blend of spices. Paprika. Some bacon flakes. Got salt and some nice Cajun. Beautiful Cajun, man. Yeah. Beautiful Cajun right there. Beautiful Cajun. You like it spicy? That's it right there. Yeah. Anyways, okay. Well, that's not bad actually. Okay. Got some of this. I got my eggs over there somewhere. Gotta find them. I'm hiding more cloths so I can wash my stuff. I got my salt. More salt, rock salt. Okay, got my fabric softener. Hygiene stuff for ears. Cotton swabs for the ears. Yada yada. Bunch of stuff in here. Okay. Oh. Right here. Some more stuff. And some cheese. Okay. Sponges. Okay, let's do this here. I'm going to throw that in also. You know what? Just throw that in here. Throw that there. Oh! Tortilla corn in the machine there. Okay. How did I put it? Spaghetti also. Okay, that's what I'll have to do. I'll have to organize the car a little bit more. I don't know what I have anymore, man. I don't know what I have. This. Okay, let me see. This. Okay. Throw that there. Okay. Hot peppers. Hot pickled peppers. There we go. There. Okay. Put that there. And I got some nice, oh shit, I'm going to have to put that inside. Damn, olive oil's frozen. So it's not real olive oil. It's not real olive oil. It says it's olive oil. It's not real olive oil. It's frozen. Go figure. Okay. Tastes good, but okay. Fair enough. I know not to buy this anymore. Okay. I gotta put that in the car so it doesn't freeze. Okay. And okay. You know what? Put that in here. Oh, my yogurt. It's winter, so at least now I can do stuff with that in here. Okay. This I might. A lot of carbs in here. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna dump it out the storage unit. You know what? I should put it inside the car because I'm not frozen. It's like the butane, same thing. It gets frozen in your screw. That's it. My eggs. I think I only have 2 left. Yeah, I only have 2 left. Nope. 4 eggs left. Okay. Yeah. Well, I'll make them tonight. This way we get rid of them. Okay, here we go. Yeah. These are nice, man, for the winter.
heat holder. Man, gonna work like a charm this winter. So the kids like this one. Similar to this one here. But this one's supposed to be waterproof. I think it's bullshit. But it keeps me warm. This one's had one like that before. You know, it's worth it. Worth all the money in the world, man. Right there. Oh, and I got macaronis in the back. Crab dinner. Anyways, okay. Okay, there's some. Put that there. Again. There we go. Shit. Okay, that's garbage. Okay. That's garbage. Went through that to the garbage. So, that's all the food right there. At least now I know what I have and I don't have. I'm pretty sure I have some hot sauce kicking around. I think it's inside the car. It's got to go through the things behind the back driver's seat. Some really, really good hot sauce. But anyways, that's what it looks like. There you go. All right. I got to clean up more, but for now, it's a lot better than what it was. Anyways, that's how you do it when you live out of a car. I don't have a choice, man. Yeah, I'm telling you, I'm not bullshitting. These guys, oh, you can't do it. Well, yeah, you can do it. Not impossible. Not easy, but not impossible. All right? So, like and subscribe if you like. If not, well, I can't make it, can't make everyone happy. Anyways, by the way, I'm forgetting to mention, this is coffee I'm making myself. Lily and Rosa. Those are the two. Usually I get the dark roast. They're stronger. Lily's not bad. It's a dark roast. The other one they ran out of here at Walmart, so I was able to get it. But I'm going to try this one out. The Rosa. This thing has a chocolate flavor to it. We'll see. Anyways, that's it. Oh, my junk food. Some in here, and all my glasses and my vitamins, and you've seen that. Propane, butane's in there, plus some paper towels, some cleaning supplies, and antibacterial wipes, and my water. Stuff like that. It's in there. All there. Winter gloves. And of course, you see my back. See the back seat. Now that's a chore. But yeah, I'm going to get rid of those 2 blankets I have. I'm going to bring them to the storage unit. I'm going to get rid of them. I don't think I'm going to use them right now. They're not going to keep me warm. So, that's what you do when you live out of a car. It's tight, not impossible. Can be done. It's a chore to get in at night, and a chore to get out at night. Just hope you don't have to go to the washroom real quick. Then you're really done for it. It's got to be, if you're interested, you'll figure it out. I'm figuring it out. Still learning. Not fun, but I'm saving myself a pretty penny. Somebody trying to fit something in the car, good luck. Yeah, ain't going to work. Fit in the back seat. There you go. You gotta open the car, brother. You have to unlock it. Whatever. A little story. I'm gonna tell you a little story. You're gonna think it's bullshit. I was at Home Depot one day, just before the winter hit. Someone tried to, someone didn't try. They actually bought a snowblower. And they didn't have a pickup or a van. they're trying to fit it in the trunk, a snowblower. A big mama, like I have. You're not going to fit a snowblower in the trunk. And the people from Home Depot, they're so, I'm sorry, they're not, some of the people are not the brightest. They're trying to help this gentleman trying to fit a snowblower in a trunk. You're not going to do it, brother. You know? They rent trucks. Rent a damn truck. Bring it home. Return the truck. You know, you're trying to save yourself, what, 25 bucks, 30 bucks at the time? Come on, give me a break. No common sense in this world. Anyways, catch you on the flip side this time. All right. Peace out.